Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to look at the Kyocera KX424, also known as the Kyocera Blade. It's the Alltel phone. So inside the box you're going to get the user guide, the Alltel access brochure, and then accessories guide. Inside you're going to get your plastic cover. You're going to get the device itself, the battery, and also the Kyocera proprietary charging cord. And that'd be it. Let's take a look at the phone. I'm going to pop the back off and pull the battery out. Alright, back's on. The keypad's, or the phone's adding a lot of blue color. It doesn't actually look like that. Yeah, my phone's really like saturating the colors on it, but it's definitely not that blue. On the left side, you're going to have your 2.5mm headphone jack. On the bottom, looks like you just have a couple slots for maybe a charging port or a connector to slide into. You have your charging port on the right side. On the top, you're going to have your flashlight cut out, your antenna, and then on the rear, you have your speakerphone. I'm going to turn the flashlight on. So that's pretty cool. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.